In the winter in Tupper Lake, there's different things that you can do, coming from ice fishing to snowmobiling. Hiking's a big thing too here in the winter, so there's lots of different things to do to get out with your family and friends and have fun.
The opportunities around Tupper Lake are great because you have Stony Pond, Fish Creek, Deer Pond, Horseshoe Pond. There's a million of them.
I really just enjoyed the environment, the type of community that's created here, the people, and so I will continue to want to be a part of that and to have a family grow up here as well.
You always get excited when it gets closer. You gotta drop it down a couple times, and put on a couple miles every time you go out. And when it's busy, it's really busy.
When we're ice fishing, I do feel like it's a great experience to have with other people, family and friends. It's a way to kind of hang out, but also enjoy the activity of fishing. Discover my Tupper Lake.